Hey, it is the software engineering student here, and I will begin this video series where we're going to discuss the power and the most interesting things about Java. And first of all, a few basic things. I will be using Intellij, which is probably the best IDE for Java programming, at the moment at least. So I would highly encourage everyone that would like to follow the series to go download it. There will be a link in the description. So, the first step to be a software developer is to write a Hello World program, which is like a very simple program, and this is the first step. So, right now I'm in the IntelliJ IDE, and right here, if you create any kind of project, you will start with a main class and a public static void main method, which is a very basic method that would be called when you start the program. So, to create a Hello World program, which is simply a program that runs and print Hello World in the console. So in Java, we would do system dot out dot print L and we would give it what it's supposed to write to the console. We would go Hello World and semicolon. Always remember in Java, everything ends with a semicolon. And we would run the program. And as you can see, it writes Hello World in the console. So this is the first step to become a software engineer, and it's very simple, and I hope everyone got this done because everyone can do this. So see you in the next episode.